Only 1 in 10 people solve this correctly. Let's see if you are part of that group or you have been making that same mistake. 18 minus 6 will give you what? 12. Divided by 2 plus 1 will give you 3. Multiply by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 will give you 6. Divided by 12. 12 divided by 6 will give you what? 2. Are you right or wrong? Definitely you are wrong. Now, the trouble is this. Division and multiplication has equal priority. So you have to work from left to right. Likewise, addition and subtraction. So 18 minus 6 will give you what? 12. Divided by 2 plus 1 will give you what? 3. Multiply by 2. 12 divided by 3 will give you what? 4. Multiply by 2. 4 multiplied by 2 will give you 8. So the correct answer is 8 and not 2. Please don't make that mistake again, okay? This is BODMAS Mistakes, episode 5. Follow for episode 6 so you won't miss our next class. Now, can you try this? Let me know what your answer is in the comment section. Watch this. 9 plus 2 multiplied by 7. 9 plus 2 will give you 11. Multiplied by 7. 11 multiplied by 7 will give you what? 77. Another one. 9 plus 2 multiplied by 7. 7 times 2 will give you what? 14. Plus 9. 9 plus 14 will give you 23. So which of these do you think is the right answer? Is it option A or option B? The correct answer is option B and not option A. These are BODMAS mistakes. You have to first of all do the multiplication before you add. If you add before you multiply, you will fail it. These are BODMAS mistakes. Don't fail. This is BODMAS Mistakes, episode 5. Follow for episode 6 so you won't miss our next class.